Cincinnati clearance delivery Cessna 12064 at Clermont County. I'd like to pick up our IFR to Muncie, Mike, India, Echo.
Tech 12064, Cincinnati clearance, hello, clear to Mike, India, Echo Airport, Muncie Airport via radar vectors. Entering controlled airspace, flat runway heading, maintain 3000, expect 6000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 128.7, block 4246, 44 release.
All right, that's clear to Muncie, Indiana via radar vectors, maintain 3000, 6000, 10 minutes after departure, 128.7 on the frequency and 4246 on the squawk code, and hold for release.
Read back correct, advise number 1, ready to go.
All right, we'll advise when ready to go, 12064. And Cincinnati clearance delivery 12064 is taxiing to the end of runway 4, departing to the north. We're ready to go.
Tech 12064, thank you. Release for departure, clearance of void 5 minutes. Change to advisor frequency approved.
Switching to advisory frequency 12064. Clermont County traffic, Cessna 12064 is taken on runway 04, departing to the north, Clermont County. Okay, runway heading of 4. Clermont County traffic, Cessna 12064, departing runway 4, Clermont County traffic. Cincinnati approach, Cessna 12064 is with you at 1,800 for 6,000 off of India 69er.
Tech 12064, Cincinnati departure ident, Cincinnati altimeter 3022.
3022 and identing.
Tech 12064, radar contact 2 miles northeast, Clermont County Airport. Climb maintain 6,000.
Climb maintain 6,000. Remain on this heading for 064.
For 064, turn left heading is 020.
Left 020264 or 12064.
Allegiant 2801, contact tower 118.907. Skype 12064, contact Columbus approach 118.85.
118.85, 12064.
Mooney 3555 November, contact Lowell approach 132.07.
Columbus approach, Cessna 12064 is with you at 6,000 feet.
Cessna 12064, Columbus approach, state altimeter 3024.
3024, 12064. 4000, 12064.
November 4328 Juliet, you're 5 for the marker, turn left hang 090, maintain 3000 to establish. Clear the ILS 6 left.
090 on the heading, to establish clear ILS 6 left, 28 Juliet.
We're cleared down to 4000, so we're leaving 6 to going down.
November 555 Foxtrot, November, previous traffic no factor, advise I-68 to say.
So we're going down, so I'm going to go ahead and go.
12064, kind of Indianapolis approach on 120.65, good day.
120.65, good day, thanks for all your help, appreciate it. Indianapolis Center, Cessna 12064 is with you at 5,600 for 4,000.
Cessna 12064, Indy approach, Indy altimeter 3024, advise the weather at Muncie, expect a visual approach runway 3.
3024, and would it be possible to shoot the GPS run to GPS 3 into runway 3, and we've got weather?
November 064, expect that.
Roger, we'll expect the the GPS 03 into Muncie, 064.
Cessna 064, proceed direct Paul, vector to final for runway, DRNAV for runway 3 approach.
12064 to direct to Paul 064. Center 12064 has initiated our procedure turn inbound.
Cessna 064, thank you. Cessna 064, radar service terminated, contact Muncie Tower.
Going to Muncie Tower, 12064. Muncie Tower, Cessna 12064 is with you on the GPS runway 3 inbound full stop.
12064, Muncie Tower, report final approach fix.
Report final approach fix, 12064. Muncie Tower, Cessna 12064 is passing the final approach fix, runway 3.
Air 12064, runway 3, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 3, 12064.
Minimums.
There's minimums, runway environment in sight. Obviously, it's a beautiful day to be out. hop, skip, and a bump.
Bravo Alpha to Muncie Aviation, this frequency.
And that was a Bravo Alpha to Muncie Aviation on this frequency 12064.